Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. Hope everybody is having a great day. None other, I am back with another lookbook, but this is a casual weekend fall lookbook. So this lookbook is just easy, it's simple, and I will try to pull some stuff if you want a little cover. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a dress right here. It's a cotton dress, and I think this will be a great look. And I have it paired with my black Jessica Simpson heels, and I also have it paired with this beautiful leather, faux leather with faux detailing of leopard print. So yeah, that is that. And let me just say, this is just a full-on simple look. That's it. Bracelet, earrings, ring, that's all to it. But this is the bracelet, this beautiful cross bracelet. None other. We have this ring with this beautiful tribal print earrings. But if you wanted to add something to your look, let me see. We can actually here we go. We can add this. We can add this to it. Now, I don't know how this will look, but yeah, we can add this with this. But yeah, beautiful casual, a beautiful casual weekend date night look. Hope y'all enjoy it. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.